Gates open. They're up and racing. Conquista Boy from the outside draws for your lead. Then comes Classy Pages. Big Bone moving up by the rail. Then on the outside, RGA sneaking in down on the inside. Sophia's Fury, Andorra, and Pass approaching on the outside. Coming from behind is the favorite Farragut's Order now catching the third spot. Heading towards the last 800. Big Bone now the leader, followed by Conquista Boy. Moving fast on the outside is Farragut's Order, and now grabbing the lead. Farragut's Order, now the leader over Big Bone as they pass the last 600 with Farragut's Order this time by 2. Running in second, runner number 2, Big Bone. Then on the outside, moving up is Andorra. Conquista Boy in between runners, and one rushing up is Sophia's Fury as they turn for home with Farragut's Order leading the field. Andorra moving up on the outside. Sophia's Fury, Conquista Boy is by the rail. Classy Pages with 100 meters more to run. Farragut's Order, Andorra from last to first, now winning this race over Farragut's Order. Then comes number 1, Sophia's Fury, and Conquista Boy.
Laking bagay nung change rider, tsaka